Hi everyone, welcome to GTCoding. This is the final video of our custom WordPress theme development series. We have completed our custom theme and here are the topics that we had covered. If you haven't watched them, I will leave the link in the description below. I have explained how to create this complete WordPress theme from scratch, including the design of this website. So please do watch the complete playlist. Now let's wrap things up to finalize the theme for production. So we'll go to our Visual Studio Code and in our functions.php file we can optimize our site a little bit. So if you look over here, we have this micro time instead of the version number. We have written micro time over here just for development purposes so that both of these files will be loaded every time we refresh our page, but now we don't want it because we have completed our theme. So let's just replace this with a version number. And we can completely remove these three parameters. Now we will just go to local and we'll right click over here and we'll click on show folder. Now just go into the folder GTCoding and then go into app, public, WP content, themes and the name of our theme. Now select everything and create a zip file. And just rename the zip file. So now we have this file called gtcoding.zip. Now you can use this zip file to install this theme on any WordPress website that you have. I will also add the link of the source code of the theme on my website gtcoding.net. Now if you want to gain more knowledge in WordPress theme development, you can go to this website called codex.wordpress.org. Here you can find everything you need to know about WordPress theme development. This is the official documentation for WordPress theme development. If you have any doubts in WordPress theme development, you can also ask in the comments below. And I will also make the source code of the theme available on my website. And I recommend you to make changes to the theme and customize it to your needs. I will also create a video explaining how to install our theme on a completely new WordPress website. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below and subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.